It's 2025 and still many Windows users rely on the Microsoft Store or the web search method to find and install the software packages. But today, after knowing these three effective reasons that I will be sharing with you, that why you should use the WinGet, you will surely change your habit and start using the WinGet. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Alright, so in order to run the WinGet command, you can bring up the command prompt. So type cmd in the Windows search, bring as administrator. And number one is easy upgrade and package removal. Now, many of you might have issues while downloading any kind of application from the Microsoft Store where either it gives you any kind of error or the downloading is very slow. But with the WinGet, you can find all the softwares on your device along with their current version and the available version. Probably it won't list all the application installed as WinGet only include the reliable and the less known one. So if you type a simple command, that will be winget space upgrade and hit the enter key. So it will take a moment. It will look all the application installed on your device and very quickly it will show you the list of the application like Microsoft 365, Node.js, Apple Mobile, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, OBS Studio, Wondershare, Microsoft Visual, Python. And on the right side of it, you will find the latest version, the current version, and you will also find the available version. Like you can see for the WinRAR, I'm using 7.11 and the available version, the latest version is available here and it shows me 7.13. And at the very bottom, it says 13 upgrades available. So now here, once you know that what all updates are available, either you can update any specific application, any specific program, or you can upgrade all the application here by one single command. So let's say if you want to update only a specific application like WinRAR, so what you will have to do, type here winget space upgrade, again give a space, then you will have to look for the ID number of that application. So for the WinRAR, this is the ID number. So I will copy it, then I will paste it. And once I hit the enter key, so you will find it will start upgrading this application only. And here we go. So it shows me that from where it exactly downloaded, what was the size, then what it did, like starting, package install, successful install. So this way you can upgrade any application here. Now let's say if you want to upgrade all of them, so you will have to type winget space upgrade space dash dash all. And I hit the enter key. Now this will start upgrading all the application listed over here for whichever the upgrades are available. So you don't have to do anything manually. And if you want to enjoy all the application with the latest version, then you have to run the single command. Now not only this, you have some more options here. Like a part of upgrading them, if you want to uninstall any of these applications listed here, then you can also do that by one single command. So you will have to type winget space uninstall space, then you will have to enter either the name of the application or the ID number. So let's say if I want to uninstall this application node.js, so either I can copy their name or the ID number. So select it, press Ctrl C to copy, then paste here and then simply hit the enter key. And this will automatically start the uninstallation process of that particular application. And you can see the program is now getting removed from my computer and it says found node.js starting package uninstall successfully uninstall. And you will not see the application here. Once again, if I type winget space upgrade, so this application, the node.js will not be listed over here because it's now been removed from my computer. Okay, so now let's move with number 2, that is exporting or importing the packages. Now, many times it happens that you are using multiple kind of application. And if you want to import all the application list, all the program packages list on any JSON file so that you can start using them when you reset your computer or on any other computer, then you can easily import or export it. So what you will have to do, type here winget space export, again give a space dash O as an Oscar, give a space then you have to mention the drive letter where exactly you want to export this file. So for example, what I can do, I will bring up my SSD here, the Extreme SSD. And as of now, you can see I don't have any file here. So I have to mention this drive letter of this external USB pen drive wherever I want to export. So on my end, it's E drive. So I will type here E colon, then give a /, then type winget.json. And now once if I hit the enter key, you will find that all the application packages file will be exported to this particular location. So let me hit the enter key. And here we go. So you can see the winget.json file has been exported to this location. Now don't worry about this messages here, installed package is not available. In the beginning, I used to think that it's any kind of error or any problem, but no, you don't have to worry about it. So once you get this winget.json file and you have this on your USB or any kind of external USB, now you can easily import all the software packages with a very simple command, and that will be winget space, instead of export, now we have to type import because we are importing the file. Then give a space, and instead of -o, you will have to type -i. Then give a location where exactly your file is. And type the same command, that will be winget.json. And that's it. Now once you hit the enter key, it will be importing this file and all the software and packages will be installed. So this will be very useful for the people who want the same software and application on a different device, or who are going to reset their device. They can save the JSON file somewhere of this winget, and once they are done with the reset or the format, they can again import all the software and packages. And now number 3 is seamless applications install. So another annoying thing that I feel while installing application on Windows by clicking exe file is getting excessive number of prompt. But going with the winget, you can silently install any of the application. So first, what you can do, you can type winget space search. And let's say if you are searching for any kind of browser, like I will type here Brave and hit the enter key. So this will list me all kind of available application by the name Brave. Now I have to look for the one that I want to install. So I need to find out the application here that I want to install. So I know I have to install the Brave here. So what will be the next command? Winget space install space. Then you will have to type the ID number. So I will copy the ID number from here and paste it. And once I hit the enter key, it will start installing the Brave application. Now one thing what you will notice that somewhere in between it will ask me for the permission. Well, interesting. It did not ask me any kind of prompt like yes or no, but still, in case if you want that there should not be any kind of prompt while installing the application. So what you can do, when typing this command, winget space install, then the ID number of that application, again give a space and type -h, as this will be for silently installing any kind of application. And this time, once you hit the enter key, it will not be asking you for any kind of permission. It won't give you any kind of prompt and will automatically install all the application. A part of this, if you want to search other application, other programs, so you type winget space search, then either you can type the category, like I will type browser, and it will list me all kind of available browser in the winget. Alright, so this was the command winget search space browser because I was looking for any kind of browser. Now it's giving me all the suggestion: Opera, Brave, DuckDuckGo, OX, Gingy browser. I'm not sure what exactly that was. AdsPower, Mercury, Thorium, Safari, Brave, Google Chrome. All the available browser in the market on the internet are available here. Now whichever you want to download and install, you will have to type a simple command and you are all done. And so on. Let's say if you are looking for any kind of uninstaller, so I can type here winget space search uninstaller. So it will be looking for any kind of uninstaller now, and you can see it gave me all the list, all the suggestion like Smarty uninstaller, IOBit, a shampoo, Revo uninstaller, and all the options will be listed. Whichever now you want to install, just go ahead and install them. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully now after knowing all these benefit of the winget, you will start using it. And make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.